Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD, we have the Feds out the way, and it is hawkish, so in other words, dollar strength. And what we're looking for is pullbacks on structure to be short. Now, that didn't work. Let's do that. And that is the closest level I have, which is at the gap down this morning. So you can see a fairly strong zone here. And that is, let's just put zone in because it's kind of what you're going to be looking for. So somewhere in this area is what we should be looking for short. So that's 106.623 and 106.550. So we're looking to be short there for a continuation to the downside. That continuation, we're going to have to go very far left here. And my first target is going to be 106.100. 106.100. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, we've started to break in through structure, so that structure should be retested. That is the only opportunity I see here, and we're just going to fine tune the structure just a little bit. Bring this one up as well. So we're looking at a retest of 148.166 or alternatively 147.960. Target is going to be a little bit difficult because we are pretty much top of a fairly strong move. And you can see this is looking like a flag as well, which is also the concern I've got. But so just going to get to a monthly chart. Logically, that's the next level, which is 151667. But I have a feeling that it's so far away from where we are that it would be pointless trying to chase that. Yeah, that's massive. So oh guys, this is not an easy setup. I don't see a measured move either. So I suppose that's probably going to be the best measured move there. It's not set in stone, but that's kind of what we'd be looking at. Looking for 148.862, but I'm very unsure of this one. So I think the higher probability trade, yeah, just to leave us alone. Euro USD, there's definitely structure that you can work off, but this, we're at a not quite an all-time high, but we are definitely at a very high level, and that is going to impact us. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen, we're still battling to get through this. Tails to the upside, tails to the downside, bob wire. That's just big up, big down, big confusion. It's not something you want to be jumping in on. And you can see when you drop down to the hour what I'm talking about. The only thing that is true here is the fact that we are in a downward trend. So watch this level here, but I'd also watch this level higher up to 182.946. There may be an opportunity for a short off there, but just looking at the dollar yen, I think this pair is also something you just sit back and wait until we get better structure. And lastly, a euro British pound. Trend is up, onwards and upwards. We're looking for retests of structure. We're coming up to a fairly decent one at the moment. Just want to put both these levels in. And we've actually already tested it this morning. So yeah, beautiful little pin bar that is forming here. So price gets above here. You have 110 point stop loss, and this is a fairly decent measured move here. And basically, you first going to be looking for 086552, and then your second target is going to be 086683. So we're looking to buy in the zone that we're in now. Obviously, I'd like this to happen during trading hours, but sometimes it doesn't work out that way. So even on the 15 minutes, I need to close above here. What's this above? 086350. Get a close above that. That's going to start generating opportunities to the upside. Anyway, that's kind of my view for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.